Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies easy and fast step by step. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and lining a baking sheet while you prep. Combine softened butter and sugar, then beat in eggs and vanilla until smooth and creamy. Add dry ingredients and chill the dough briefly for easier rolling. Cut shapes, bake until edges are set, and cool before decorating for best texture. Making the dough is straightforward and forgiving, so relax and enjoy it. Cream butter and sugar until pale, then mix in eggs and vanilla with gentle strokes. Add your dry ingredients slowly, folding just until combined to keep cookies tender. If dough feels sticky, chill it for 10 to 20 minutes to firm up and make rolling easier. This small step saves time and keeps cookie shapes crisp during baking. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more fast recipes. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after grocery runs, because warm cookie smells and a stinky car do not mix. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can snag one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Baking and decorating are the fun parts, and you can keep them simple. Roll dough to 1/4 inch thickness, cut shapes, and transfer them carefully to the prepared sheet. Bake just until edges are set, then let cookies cool fully before adding icing or sprinkles to avoid melting. Use quick royal or glaze icing for fast decorating, or keep it minimal with sanding sugar for a classic, speedy finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.